With the Follow Me application, the Parrot Bebop 2 evolves into becoming the most intelligent leisure drone on the market. To ensure best visual tracking, it's recommended you wear clothes with a color different from the environment in which you want the drone to follow you. For example, here the ground is green, but for contrast I'm wearing a blue t-shirt. To begin, launch your drone by tapping takeoff. The drone will take off and stabilize approximately 1 meter above the ground. Now put yourself in the drone's camera field and press Follow Me icon at the top left of your smartphone screen. For this exercise, you're going to select Auto Follow mode. A frame will appear in the center of the screen. You can use the handles on either side of the frame to center on yourself and then press OK. The Bebop 2 is now in auto follow. It is programmed to follow your smartphone's GPS signal while keeping you in the center of the visual frame defined. If your smartphone has a barometer, the Bebop 2 will adapt to the height difference in the terrain when you go up and down. Climb mode analyzes the barometer of your smartphone, which allows your drone to follow you on important elevations during a climbing session, for example. If you lock your smartphone manually, the Follow Me mode will stop. However, you can lock the Follow Me mode screen directly from the FreeFlight Pro application. Use this function when you put your smartphone away in your pocket during Follow Me. To lock the screen, slide the smartphone icon to the padlock icon. To unlock the screen, slide the smartphone icon again. You can exit Follow Me mode in several ways, either by pressing the back icon to go back to the manual piloting, or slide the Stop Follow icon. The drone will change back to manual mode. When you are in Follow Me mode, you can still use your smartphone to override your drone. You have multiple control actions on the tactile interface. Press the forward arrow icon to bring your drone closer to you, and the back arrow icon to move away. The two arrows on the right side enable you to adjust the height of the drone while it is following. By holding the two orbit icons down, you can orbit the drone in one direction or the other. The drone will respond to the commands received, up, down, forward, etc., while continuing to follow you. Perfect Side mode allows you to lock the angle of the view of the drone relative to you. To enable it, press once on the padlock near the radar. This radar allows you to precisely visualize the view angle of the drone in real time. The drone will change its course depending on your trajectory. To unlock your drone's course, press once more on the padlock icon. Please note, for safety reasons, the drone always keeps a minimum distance of 5 meters from its subject. Go on! It's time to test it in action. And what better way than a good running session on the mountains? Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the videos dedicated to Magic Dronies.